Ingay mo kasi, Pi.
Correct, General. This time, another way. Diane. Oh, my! Nobody's there! Nobody's there. That's Mario. Almost troubles.
Agis na! Hindi magayoko ah.
Austin.
Sige! Nice!
Nice!
Ayos!
The council of the playing coach, Richard Kalungkay.
Ay, bula!
That's Mario. Elmo. Nice about to know what's happening.
Oh, nasa loob kayo lahat.
Crossing the middle line. Kalungkay drives too strong. Kaya pa na rebound. Using dribble skill. Kalungkay. Malakas. Almost right. And hit the leg.
Jay, may nang labas, Jay. Tubig mo na.
Okay, for the second shot, progressed by the Gaga ends. A minute and 35 seconds remaining. Only 95 seconds to go.
Parang ba yung talbog ng bola, yung loose ball pa, ikaw makakalimot. Ayaw mo sila doon. Kumbaga, tulong na yun ni Andy sa stationary dito.
Part, galingan nyo sa labas ha. Galingan nyo sa labas.
Huwag ka masyado doon.
Ha? Galingan nyo sa labas.
Balot ball, follow up na.
Part, video to part, video. Video.
Okay, once again, reminder, only 95 seconds time remaining. Minute and 35 seconds to go.
Ano bagong order niya?
Aramayana, one more foul,
Ay, yung pinis niya!
and you will be penalized.
Virgin.
Sinabi niya sa akin, kuya, susuotin ko yun. Sa championship.
Kaya pala tumutunog eh.
Wala pa rin yung in-order natin?
Wala na. Walang pito. Master's time po. 135. 135.
Minute and a half.
Guards!
Tired. By cross to number 33. Offensive ball. Sala tayo. Okay, 23. Sa kapal.